Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Kiana Zulfani. In this video, I'll be covering computer hardware fundamental from architecture and key component to maintenance tips. Let's get into the material. Let's go. What is a computer? A computer is defined as programmable electronic device that accepts input, processes data using binary logic, and produces output. Historically, the term referred to human performing calculation, but today it encompasses devices operating under von Neumann architecture. This architecture integrates hardware and software to solve problems through a continuous cycle of input, process, and output. Whether it is a personal PC, a server, or an embedded system, a computer relies on transistors that execute arithmetic and logical operations in binary form 0 and 1. How computer process? The fact the code execute cycle. The central processing unit operates through a continuous loop known as the fact the code execute cycle, which serves as the heartbeat of computing. In this process, the CPU first fetches instructions from the RAM via the program counter. It then decodes this instruction within the control unit to determine the required operation. Finally, the arithmetic logic unit (ALU) executes the task, whether it is a calculation or a logical compression. This cycle repeats billions of times per second. Detected by the system's clock speed (CIC), allowing complex software to run smoothly. The brain central processing unit (CPU). The CPU acts as the brain of the computer responsible for executing all program instructions. Internally, it consists of the arithmetic logic unit for calculation, the control unit for directing data flow, and the register for ultra-fast temporary storage. Modern CPU enhance performance through multiple cores and threads, enabling parallel processing for multitasking. The performance and efficiency of a CPU are determined by its architecture, such as x86 for desktop or ARMS for mobile devices, as well as its clock speed and thermal design power. Memory hierarchy, speed, cost, capacity. Computer memory is organized into a hierarchy to balance speed, cost, and capacity. Data move from slower high-capacity storage to faster, low-capacity memory as it processes the CPU. At the top are register and chunks, which provide immediate data access to the processor. Below this is RAM, volatile memory that holds active program and data. At the base is ROM with stored non-volatile startup instruction. When RAM is insufficient, the system utilizes virtual memory on the hard drive, adhering to the principle that faster memory is always smaller and more expensive. Storage technologies permanent data. Unlike volatile RAM, storage devices are designed for long-term data retention. Hard disk drive as magnetic platters to offer high capacity at a low cost. Their mechanical nature makes them slower. In contrast, solid-state drive utilize an AND flash memory with no moving part, resulting in faster speed and greater durability. For maximum performance, an FME SSD connect directly via the PCIe interface, offering significantly higher transfer rate. Choosing the right storage involves balancing the need for speed for use and application versus capacity for backup and archive. The motherboard, central nervous system. The motherboard is the main printed circuit board. that connect all critical components, including the CPU, RAM, storage, and GPU. It facilitates communication between these parts through electronic pathways called basic. Key features include the chipset, which manage data flow, and the BIOS UEFI, which handle the initial boot process. The motherboard also provides expansion slots like PCIe for graphic card and M.2 for flash storage. Its form factor, such as ETX or Mini ETX, determine the physical size of the boot and the number of available expansion options. Power supply and cooling system. Stable operation requires both consistent power and effective thermal management. The power supply unit converts AC power from the wall outlet into DC power for internal components with efficiency rated by 80 plus certification. Cooling is equally critical to prevent thermal throttling, a safety mechanism where hardware records performance to avoid overheating. Cost-effective temperature control, while liquid cooling solutions offer superior thermal performance for high-end, power-intensive builds, ensuring component longevity. Input and output devices peripherals. Peripherals serve as the bridge between human user and the digital system. Input devices such as keyboard, mouse, webcam, and microphone allow users to send data and comment into the computer. Conversely, output devices like monitor, printer, and speaker present process information in visual, physical, or audio format. Together, these input or output device define the user experience, enabling interaction with software and allowing the computer to deliver results in a human, readable manner. Performance optimization and maintenance. Maintaining optimal computer performance involves protecting bottlenecks where a single slow component restricts the entire system potential. Regular physical maintenance, such as cleaning tests every 3-6 months, ensure proper airflow and prevent overheating. On the software side, keeping drivers and the operating system updating is crucial for security and stability. Data integrity should be protected using the 3-to-1 backup rule, while security features like Secure Boot and TPM help safeguard the system against unauthorized access and firmware threats. Conclusion. Understanding computer hardware requires recognizing how physical components interact to process information, from the CPU execution cycle to the memory hierarchy and storage technologies. Each part plays a specific role in system functionality. By selecting balanced hardware, maintaining physical cleanliness, and following best practices for software update and data backup, we can ensure that computer remain efficient, reliable, and secure for long-term use. That concludes my presentation on computer hardware fundamental. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.